Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about the markets for tomorrow, Monday market open. We're going to look and analyze a bit for beautiful forecast that we're going to make. Also going to get a little bit of a throwback of I didn't take a trade on Friday, but I took a trade on Thursday. As you see right here guys, let me zoom in. We had a beautiful trade, previous day low swap, Asia low swap. From there we made a beautiful displacement higher. We closed above the break block, the last line of defense. From there I was bullish that we would take out a lot of buy side liquidity. From there we entered on this candle. It was a great entry. We got a little bit lower, made a beautiful displacement candle, higher. From here, this moment was PPI release. I have a whole sheet for news release, how to use, how to trade it. Also there's a course coming for that also soon. Use red folder. News came out, I saw it was bullish. We did a re-entry. I don't have the pictures or right now, but maybe I can show you guys I already showed you guys on my Discord, not maybe, I showed you guys on Discord my re-entry on MetaTrader. Because news was bullish, we entered on the order block slash OT, like the underside of the OT and the upside of the order block. We had an entry on that. From there, re-entry, we got higher, took out the minus 0.27. We partialed the first entry. From there we took like 50% out. Then we hit the highest, the buy side liquidity, or the buy side liquidity and the monthly opening price. We took out everything. On the OT entry though, the second entry, we took out everything. So from there we just swept again the liquidity and got lower and lower, accumulated again. And from there we just had a displacement day on Friday and got higher and higher. And I don't know what liquidity, oh yeah, it was, I think, previous week high we also took out. So it was great liquidity. From there we wicked a lot of times and market close, we got a little bit lower. Of course, that is logical. Most times if a day is bullish, you will see something like this. Let me try it for you guys. And then higher, and then the close on the day, we maybe get a little bit lower. Something like this. Oh, of course not something like this, but you understand what I say. Like we get a little bit of a lower price action on the end of the day, and we already also did that. As you see right there, we took out the POI of the week even on Friday, so it was a great week. Let's go and start the forecast for next week. And I will take an empty chart. Let me look for a beautiful empty chart. This chart is not empty. This chart is also not empty. If you think like, why have draws, I really like to look back at my trades, and of course you can have another layout, but I don't like that. All right, this is empty enough for me. Okay, next week. First thing to take with you on the next week, we had a swap of liquidity on the buy side, or the previous week high a week ago. So, and we closed a bit bullish, not a lot, so we're like at a 50-50. Probably what I think will happen, I didn't look at red folder yet, but what I think will happen is that we go a little bit lower in the range and go in this gap on the weekly. I think that's most of the logical answer on it, so something like here. 1 second. Border, so I'll take the border off so you see it better. Weekly gap, the weekly gap probably will come to there. And also if you look good, we also have like low resistance liquidity. Probably it's gonna become a low resistance liquidity run. So what low resistance mean is that the liquidity is easy to slice in it. So low resistance is not a lot of resistance to go inside of it, or you got a lot of support, but it would be easy. And we have a high resistance on the high because we swept the previous week high. Let's go to the daily chart. We do have a displacement candle. The daily chart we are a little bit more bullish than a 50-50 as you see. I don't know why it's like this probably like this. We are a little bit more bullish. We took out the liquidity, but the weekly gap is right here. You have the daily gap a little bit lower, so maybe we'll go to the daily gap also, but that is something for the next time. Let me also, one thing do is already draw previous week low and high and make it beautiful. Previous week high, that's not what I want to do. I want to have another color. Let me look for it. Oh, here. Had a long evening yesterday. Oh, previous low. I'm sorry. A little bit tired, but we're back in the game. And from here we have the previous week high. Previous week high. So previous low, previous high. Beautiful, like indecisive candle range. So it's not on the weekly chart really easy to see. So, but if we take time frame alignment, so from the weekly chart we go to the 4-hour chart, maybe we can see more. We have the previous week low. Let me draw it better for you guys like this. Oh, sorry guys. I don't know if you guys heard me, but previous week low, previous week high, we have it right here. Let me draw it for you like this. And if you look on the 4-hour chart, maybe we see like some equal lows, equal highs. Not really. We took out that high. It's not a lot. We have gaps right here where we maybe could trade inside of it, but I really believe that this low will be rated. And on the 15 minutes, if you look at the structure, well, it was a really bullish day on Friday, and we had a displacement lower, but we couldn't close below the swing low of the range. And from there, as you see, we accumulated a little bit on the end of the day, but it's not really easy to see. Maybe we can go to the 1 second. Let me look if I have it on side. Give me a second. I will take. All right, let's go to Forex Factory and look for next week red folder news. Ooh, we only have FOMC. Is that right? That can be right. Really? Only FOMC? Nothing else? No orange fold or something? We have, alright, on your USD we have PMI, but in reality only red folder is FOMC. Let's look a little bit at the red folders, if you guys like. I will look for it. First FOMC, I cannot talk about that, so probably Monday is the best trading day. And after that, I wouldn't trade on Tuesday and Wednesday. Wait after FOMC. From there we have Thursday. We have some great news. Philly Fed Manufacturer Index. The forecast is bullish euro, and the forecast of unemployment claims are also bullish euro. Euro USD or XXX/USD pairs, let me call it like that. On Friday we have bullish euro on the French flash PMI. The forecast, of course, it can always fluctuate to something else, but on this moment it's more bullish than bearish. Our French flash PMI is more bearish than bullish. Euro or German flash PMI is more bearish, the first one, and the flash service PMI is more bullish. If I look like this at the charts, the red folder indicates to me a little bit more of a bullish side to it for red folder. So keep that in mind. We will probably go maybe a little bit higher, as if you look right here, and if you look at the charts, if you want to combine fundamentals and technical, we are in a bullish move. And probably one thing that we will sweep is only the previous of the weekly gap, and maybe not. Maybe we won't sweep it. Guys, thank you for watching with me. I will see you guys the next time.